In this video, I am going to show you how to add titles to your videos on your iPhone. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. You're going to open iMovie on your phone and tap Start New Project, Magic Movie. You are then going to select the video you would like to add a title to. Once your movie or video has been added, you are going to tap the video and select titles at the bottom. You can then choose a design for your title. Once you have selected your design, you can then tap it and type whatever you would like. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.